I'm going to show you how to apply any measure. Um, David might have shown you this, but I don't know if he has or not. So you go down to this tab. After you apply your DW and DDY and EPW, go down to this tab, and you want to find the create geometry measure. Now, you can download all the measures that David has on the measures folder, and then drag and drop into this. This is your your root measure folder. I added it all here, restarted the application so it could come back here, and then under whole building and space types, you drag and drop create geometry and measures to the appropriate image. And if a measure didn't have to have any input at all, it would be fine. But since there's like a warning sign, that means there's some things missing. So I'm just gonna put in some random information. There's gonna be some I'm gonna leave out, like the 0.4 and 0.76. I don't want to touch those. Those are just some default values. So now everything is filled out, and then the warning sign went away. So I'm going to show you the workflow. The workflow is blank. This is how my blank one looks like. There's nothing, there's no measures added. And once you go to click run, it's like right there. It's added, it tells you what you did, what the input variable was, and everything else. And it starts running. This takes a while, but the the measure actually runs, and it should process complete. And that should be it. That's how you apply any measure at all. So pretty much this format for any measure is what I programmed, and pretty much applying a measure is how you apply any measure. I'm going to pause it because this does take a while. The measure, everything just ran. The measure was just uploaded and applied. Everything is fine. There's no errors. That's how you apply a measure, and that's how you run a measure. You have to download it from David. I think as a OneDrive folder. I don't know if he showed you or anything, but that's how you would do it. And in the measure here, there is, I forgot because it's been a while, but there is a setting when you apply it where if you go into the geometry function here, you can actually see a house. I forgot how to do it, but David knows how to do it, so that's one quick way to check if it applied. Another quick way to check is it'll tell you if it was completed or not. If you have any more questions, just let me know.